Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video, and today I'm making a summary layout using that gorgeous world map stencil, and of course, as usual, I will link everything to the shop below. I'm starting off with creating a blue world map background, and I'm also always using my oxide inks, so no difference there this time. And I'm simply blending the blue, and I'm not coloring the map full. I just leave some white spaces in the middle. And it's a gorgeous stencil, as you see. So I'm scrapping a photo of our summer holiday to Curacao last year, and I'm backing the photo with that blue paper, and this is the March hip kit, and it has the Simple Stories Live in Bloom collection in it, and also there's this blue paper and also some Pink Fresh collection, and it's a gorgeous kit. And this time I decided to mainly use the Pink Fresh collection that's in the March kit, but that blue paper just had to be used. If you hear any strange questions, if you hear any strange noises, that is Fritz, our parakeet, and he is chatting along. So I'm using this tag as a base for that photo, and I'm simply distressing the edges and curling them up a bit. And I decide I want to incorporate one of those cameras, and in the end I'm using the smaller one, but I simply cut out the sticker before I removed it from the backing so I could place it on my layout before sticking it down. And the pink fresh flowers are so beautiful, so I had to use those in this layout because the colors are amazing. So I decide to use the smaller camera, and I'm simply sticking it on a piece of white cardstock and then fussy cut it so I can easily place it on an elevated background, because it's a very thin sticker, so I preferred to stick it on a piece of cardstock first. So time to stick everything on the background, and I'm using a bit of craft foam to elevate that photo piece. And it's getting a bit old, so the double-sided part of the foam isn't that sticky anymore, so I always simply cut a piece and then glue and tape it on my work. And I'm using some glossy accents to glue that title down. And as said, I will link everything below because the title is one of a set and it's the best set. It's gorgeous. So the little suitcase is an older perspective. I don't know if it's still available in the shop, but if it is, I will link it. But those travel icons I'm using as we speak, they are still available, so they will be linked. So time to put some twine through that hole of that tag, and I decide to curl it up and glue it down so it will stay in the place where I want it to be. And that's it. So I'm finishing everything off with some dark oxide splatters and then I'm done. And I hope you like it. I hope you got some inspiration out of it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.